Today we're going to be making Kenyan style beef kebabs, and it's going to be a very easy recipe, and the ingredients also are going to be very basic. So check the description box for the full list of ingredients, and let's make this delicious Kenyan style beef kebabs, which you can serve for your guests as appetizers or even for your family. You're going to start off by chopping up your fresh ingredients. So I'm going to start off with roughly chopping up my onion, because I'm going to be using a mini processor to chop up my onions or my fresh ingredients. I have a quarter bell pepper over here. I'm going to be using 2 spring onions. So I'm going to fold in half and give the onion a rough chop also. Pick up my coriander and chop. Then I'm going to transfer everything into my mini processor. Lastly, I'm going to be adding in 2 cloves of garlic. Cover my processor and chop up the veggies. Once done, I'm going to transfer the fresh ingredients into my mixing bowl over here. So in your mixing bowl, you're going to start off by adding your minced meat. This is 3/4 kg of minced meat. Next, you're going to add in your fresh ingredients. Add in some paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Breadcrumbs and a little bit of milk. Add in salt. Then I'm going to go in with my hands and massage all the ingredients together until fully combined. The spring onions is going to add in a very nice flavor to our kebabs, and I've used very basic spices, that is paprika, which is going to add in some color, and garlic powder, which is going to add in some garlic flavor to the kebabs, and the star of the kebabs is black pepper, because it's going to add a little bit of spiciness and a very nice taste to the kebabs. I love black pepper. So once all the ingredients are fully combined and the meat minced is looking so good and colorful, because we have added in some coriander, red capsicum, and onions, this is how your mince should be looking like once all the ingredients are fully combined. So you're going to scoop out some of the minced meat, and using the palm of your hands, you're going to roll the meat into a rod-like shape, which is not too thick and which is not too thin. If you notice that the meat is sticking on your hands, make sure to wet your hands so that it can be easier for you to roll the minced meat. When rolling the minced meat, make sure it's not too thick, because it's not going to cook on the inside while frying. So just go for a medium-sized kebab, just like this. I'm going to transfer to my plate, and then I'm going to be making several more. It's going to be very easy for you to work with the minced meat because it's not very sticky. So if you notice that the minced meat is sticky, you can add in some more breadcrumbs so that they can soak in the milk. Mine are just perfect, and I'm almost done making the kebabs. When done rolling the minced meat, you're going to move over to a stove top and place a frying pan with cooking oil over medium-high flame. Crack in 3 eggs in a bowl or in a plate. In another bowl, you're going to add in 1 cup all-purpose flour, add in salt and black pepper to fully season our kebabs. Yes. So using a fork, I'm going to mix in the black pepper and salt into the all-purpose flour. If you have never tried black pepper, I would highly recommend because it's very mild and it has a very nice flavor. Once the all-purpose flour is fully combined, you're going to whisk the eggs until fully combined. Once the cooking oil is ready for your kebabs, you're going to pick your kebab, place in all-purpose flour. Then you're going to roll the minced meat, coating the minced meat with the flour. Drop in your egg wash. And then you're going to pick your kebab and drop into the cooking oil carefully. So you're going to repeat until all the kebabs are done. Just make sure that your oil is not super hot. Shake off the excess flour and drop into your egg wash. Coat with the eggs and then transfer to your frying pan. As you're frying your beef kebabs, make sure the oil is not too hot because you want the kebabs to slowly cook on the inside. So if the oil is too hot, reduce the flames to medium-low and let the oil cool a little bit before adding in your kebabs. A good way to check if the oil is too hot is when you place in the beef kebab, they're going to brown too fast and they're not going to be cooked on the inside. Cook the kebabs for around 1 to 2 minutes per side. Use a skimmer and flip so that the other side can cook. And once done, you're going to pick your skimmer, shake off the excess oil, and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel so that the kebabs can cool a little bit so that you can add in the second layer of egg wash. After cooling a little bit, you're going to add in some more egg wash. The recipe is very easy, as you have seen. All you have to do is chop up the fresh ingredients, add into your meat. Make sure all the ingredients are fully combined, and then you're going to coat with some all-purpose flour and egg wash so that you can have that beautiful outer layer. This is after 2 minutes. So I'm going to use my skimmer and shake off the excess oil. And then I'm going to add in a second layer of egg wash. Placing the kebab in a paper towel is going to drain off the excess oil. So make sure to use a paper towel. My second round of beef kebabs are ready and they're looking so awesome and delicious. And they have a very nice, beautiful golden brown color on the outside. They're cooked on the inside as well. The kitchen is smelling incredible and I absolutely love how the kebabs are turning out. So I'm going to use my skimmer, shake off the excess oil and place on my plate lined with kitchen paper towel. I have one small meatball over here. It is the minced meat that remained when I divided all the kebabs equally. So I'm going to drop the meatball into the small kebab. It's just a small kebab into the cooking oil. My last round of kebabs is ready. So I'm going to put out the flames, scoop out the kebabs, shake off the excess oil and transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. And over here, I've already presented to you my beef kebabs, which are looking so awesome and delicious. The crust is golden brown and it's very crispy since we used eggs to coat these Kenyan style kebabs. So this is a recipe worth trying, and I hope you'll be trying out this recipe because it's the simplest, the easiest, and the most delicious.